Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I did that deliberately because I realized that I start a lot of videos by saying, hey, what's up, y'all? So, and it's good that I would even mention that or notice that because this question is how to make life an adventure when you have to work day in and day out. So, we're talking about monotony here, and man, I am like a savage, like a slave waiting to escape when it comes to monotony. And that's one thing that I noticed very quickly when it comes to life. I know if something becomes too routine and I won't take it. I'm a child about that, man. I'm very childlike when it comes to that. It's not like I can't get happy with a routine, and it's just kind of in my nature to want to keep things the way they are if they work for me. Like, for example, I like going to a specific all you can eat buffet when I want to go out to eat. So I don't go looking for any other all you can eat buffets. I just keep going to this one. All right, and I'm just gonna keep going until it makes me sick, or I just don't like it there anymore, or these Asian people show me how racist they can be. Whatever it is. But how to make life an adventure, I think it's pretty simple. First of all, it starts in here. It starts in the mind, and your willingness to do something different. That's the most important. That's the most important part. Is just deciding to do something different with your free time, and man, a lot of my adventures have taken place in my mind. You know, a lot of the dark trips that I've taken happen in my mind, happens in my dreams. Um, so I thought I was a unicorn because I always have dreams when I go to sleep. Sometimes I have dreams right before I go to sleep. And I didn't think that everybody did have dreams, but I had read very briefly that, and I don't know how true it is, that everybody actually does have dreams. It's just, most people don't remember them. I don't know, but man, I have some vivid ass dreams, and I think that definitely contributed to um, how adventurous I feel. Um, but if you are dealing with monotony, and you work every day, you have the same schedule, eat the same lunch or whatever. Now, besides the fact that I told you to switch it up and do something different, you gotta sit down with, as I said in one of my previous videos, you gotta sit down with what exactly about this lifestyle that you do not like. All right, so you may say that it's the job that I don't like. Okay, well then that maybe it's time to get a new one or create your own, because you think going to a new job will solve the problem. It may, for a while because it's new, it has the new car smell, or you think buying something new would do it, and it will for a while, until it gets old. But very simply put, man, just incorporate new things into your life. Give yourself new things to look forward to. All right, new activities. Oh, do the things that you always wanted to do. Uh, it's very common to see somebody who's nearing their 30s, who at one point thought they had their whole life ahead of them. Now, it's all over. No more life left. Uh, Time to just suck society's dick and let Uncle Sam hit me from the back, and you just give up. And I'm telling you to do the things that you always wanted to do. All right, and I could be better at practicing that. Hey, I'm doing something though. I'm doing some things that I like to do, and I'm not too upset about the way my life is. It could definitely be better, but I don't want it to be worse. And it can be worse because I see that every day. So also, I would have to ask any person who really hates their monotonous life: are they appreciative? Are they truly grateful? Not on paper, not consciously understanding. Oh yes, what I get to eat, the house, and all these things. You may not think this, but I mean, it's not enough to make a person appreciate what they have. But also it is. It just depends on the individual and what they will allow themselves to be appreciative uh, for. Are you paying attention to the life around you and understanding that people would love to trade places with you? All right. Everybody put their problems on the floor, and when you go to pick yours up, don't be surprised if somebody took yours. Oh, so just do different things. Just do new things. Meet new people, because you meet new people, it's gonna give you new experiences. You know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't until I made a new friend, started getting close to somebody else, that we start doing bonfires all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying? Uh, so when it comes to new friends, you get kind of entrenched into different lifestyles, different cultures. And so give yourself some new reading material, expand your horizons, understand that there's more out there in the world for you. So exploring your mind first, and then the world around you will take shape all the same. So with that being said, best wishes. Take care.